What's going on, y'all? This is Jason. I've got a bad headlight. I got lucky this morning and the cops pulled me over, and I can't believe I got lucky enough that I didn't get a ticket. I got to work at 30 seconds till time I was supposed to be there. The guy said, "Where are you headed?" "Headed to work." Yeah, but fortunately I had an insurance card that was in date and all that kind of good stuff, but let's replace this headlight bulb. So these are the Sylvania Silver Star H11. They're for the low beam. I stopped at AutoZone on the way home and bought a set of these. It was like $49.99 for a set. I think one bulb was like $27 or $29. Go ahead and get the set, save a little bit of money, put your other bulb back. And so we'll get this thing open, get that headlight off. Okay, this is the only tool you need. It's a 7mm. What we're gonna do is take this thing loose. This is a 2006 Chevrolet Impala. This will work for multiple years. I have a 2010, it's the same. I'm not sure what the year range is, how long they had the same headlights. All right, that's out. This is gonna come out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my wife to help me out. That way we can get a better view of me taking it out and putting it in instead of me trying to do it one-handed this time, okay? So here we are. I got my camera lady. We got the 7mm head screw out. We use this socket wrench to do it. Now you gotta pull this, just pull it straight up and over. Don't be surprised if something breaks down here because I like that. Old plastic falls apart. I was actually kind of surprised by that. Now what's gonna hold it in place? Wow, okay, that was unexpected. So there's a pin that's attached to this housing that goes up into a spot in the fender. So you gotta grab a hold of this and like wiggle it. And it's this pin right here. It goes up in a hole that's right there. So flip this over, and it's the inner is the bright, the outer is the dim. You can turn this, take that out. I've had to do some wiring work on this one before. Come around here so you can see. Can you see this? Good. Lift up on these tabs. You can use screwdriver, fingernails. No, it doesn't feel good. Now twist this. And pull it out. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but the filament is broke. Got us another trusty $25 bulb. These are different sizes. Okay, so this only goes in here one way. Stick it in the hole. Turn it clockwise. Take your plug. I think this plug is a little bit different than what the original is, because the original, I think I could take it out with it plugged in. That should be it. Let me turn the headlights on. I'm just going to set it right here. We got light. Okay, flip this back up. Put this cap back on. Keeps dampness and moisture and stuff out of there. Now here's the challenge. Always is to get this up in here and get this thing to fit right. Okay, like always, I've told y'all before, my wife interrupts all my videos. Well, her phone started ringing, so of course she interrupted the video. All right, so what we're gonna do is all this stuff has got to fit in here just right. So you got to hold your mouth just right, because this has got to fit under here. There. So this doesn't have anything to hold in place. I guess we'll just be held in by a screw. This goes here. And what size head was it? It was a 7 millimeter. That's terrible. The piece that broke off here it's part of this piece. So you would have to replace this whole piece that runs down through here. I'm not saying that that won't happen eventually, but that's not happening right now. And I can tell this side over here, it's cracked too. So, never know. That may be a next year thing. But for now, the headlight's gonna stay in place. It just may move back and forth a little bit. I'll actually save this. That's it. That's changing the headlight bulb. Low beam. Thank you for watching this video. Hope y'all have a good one. Bye. Oh, I just want to add this on here. So I was going to show you that that side's cracked. It's this piece. This part is part of it. This top part's separate. These cracks right here, that's part of it. Those cracks there, that's part of the same piece. So, I don't even know what to call that piece. Tell you what, whatever it's called, whenever I figure it out and I replace it, I'll make a video for it. How about that? Y'all have a good one. Thanks. I still ain't gone anywhere. Okay, so it's got some, this is on the passenger side. It's got some like weather stripping that goes around it. These are aftermarket. And it comes down to here on this side. So I don't know if it used to have some that come all the way to the bottom that's broke off. But this side, it stops a little short. And this is with the hood down. And it stays in place good, okay? So that screw is gonna hold it in place. That's what you get when let's see, it's a 2006. This is almost 2026, 20-year-old car, 20-year-old plastic. Later, y'all. Have a good one.